Activate Class 2, these are the energies we use to start your health and health wellness. Universe. Wuji. Yang Yin. The opposites, heaven and earth. The balance. Tai Chi. Human energy, called Ren Qi.
Hi, hello my friend, you're welcome everybody to the class of Tai Chi QIGONG Ravina Patreon page. Yes, second class. Remember, these the energies that you go to using for health, your body, founding the optimus health, the pathway of longevity. Guji, universe. For understand energies, you need a using graphic. This graphic is Guji, universe translation in English, Guji in Chinese. These the energies that you go to use it. Yang and Yin, a strong force, energies of Yang represent creation, heaven and earth, nature. You now is a student of this Shan Tai Chi QIGONG. Thank you. 谢谢. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias, amigo. Y bendiciones.
Congratulations on your progress to be in optimal health. Persist and remember, cultivate the movements. How to do this? Observe again and again, look, listen to the information, retain it, and then it will be easy to perform the movements, and with patience you will see that the concepts, the energies and the movements are already part of your life. And the result will be, you achieve Tai Chi, the balance, the harmony. Professor Ravina is very grateful for your support and affiliation to this page Tai Chi QIGONG Ravina, and also on Facebook and YouTube.